To Iraq now, where the two suicide bomb attacks have killed at least 24 people and wounded 122 in mainly Shiite neighborhoods of central Baghdad. ISIL has claimed responsibility for the attacks. The Sunni Muslims said in a statement that two fighters wearing explosive vests targeted police and militia fighters. The attacks hit police checkpoints in the Iraqi capital on Thursday morning. Baghdad and other volatile provinces have suffered frequent attacks and bombings as government forces fight to dislodge Islamic State militants from the north and west of the country.